Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction going on Lady Musgrave Road. Now this is Lady Musgrave Road that we are on now, and this road is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. Today is a rainy day, but we'll see what we can do with the video. So the government announced that it's going to be expanding this road to 4 lanes. This is one of the busier roads in Kingston. And this road, Arthur Wint Drive and East Kings House Road are all going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. On the right is a plaza that's still under construction. It's not open yet, but it's going to be open soon. So because they are going to be expanding the road, Water Commission is now laying the pipes, some new pipes, so that they don't have to dig up the road after it's finished, as has happened so many times. So there you can see on the left the construction work going on, read the lane of the pipes. Now if you notice, look at how far that wall is on the left and the wall is on the right. And look at where the light poles are. You see how much space there is? That's because this road was always intended to be 4 lanes. It was designed to be 4 lanes. But at the time it was built as 2 lanes. It's a pity, but that's what happened. A lot of the roads in Jamaica were actually designed to be 4-lane roads. Now, Constant Spring Road was recently upgraded or expanded, and that also was originally designed to be 4 lanes. Hagley Park Road, also originally designed to be 4 lanes. And there is a lot of traffic on this road now. If you ask me, they waited too long to upgrade or to expand this road. There's so much traffic on it. A lot of these roads, they're taking too long to upgrade them. Barbican Road was recently upgraded. Traffic flows smoothly. Constant Spring Road was recently upgraded. Hagley Park Road, traffic moves smoothly on those roads. So I'm hoping that they will finish this project very soon. Now, if it's China Harbour Engineering Company doing it, then you know you stand a better chance of it finishing a lot sooner than if it's a local contractor. Don't mean to sound harsh, but that's just the reality. We have to face it. After what happened on the Junction Main Road and what's happening on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, I really hope China Harbour Engineering Company is the one that is going to do this work. So we will keep you guys updated. Actually, I don't think it's China Harbour, because the contractors already, I'm not 100% sure. Guys, do you know who the contractor is for this project? Because this project has been, how would you say now, it has been on the books for many years. They actually had allocated the money in previous budgets to do this road, but they just never started. So chances are, no, let's not go there. Guys, I'm asking, do you know who the contractor is for this road, Lady Musgrave Road, who the contractor is for East Kings House Road, and who the contractor is for Arthur Wint Drive? The government announced the projects, but I don't remember them saying who the contractors were. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And of all the 3 roads, this is the one I'm seeing activity on, or construction with the pipes. I'm not sure what they're waiting on to start the other projects, because the funds for this project was allocated like 2 years ago in previous budgets, but they just never started the project. Not sure why. And every year the same project would come back into the budget and the funds allocated, and somebody even raised a point in Parliament that the money has been allocated, why is the project not done? But we'll keep you guys updated and as to what's going on. And it's not just this section, it's all of Lady Musgrave Road. Lady Musgrave Road starts at the intersection where the video started, which is by King's House, which is the intersection of Hope Road, East King's House Road, and Lady Musgrave Road. And Lady Musgrave Road goes all the way down to Old Hope Road. So we will definitely keep you guys updated. And the same thing with this section of the road. Look at where the fence is on the left and look at where the fence is on the right. So much space. This road could easily be a 5-lane road, easily, without moving any fence or even a light pole. But they only need 4 lanes. So that's the AC Hotel on the left, and on the right, that tall building you're looking at is the Cambridge. We have video tours of all these buildings, so you can check them out. Oh, where we stopped at the stoplight, there is a construction going on there. There's construction going on straight ahead where you see the zinc fence. And further down off Lady Musgrave Road, there's going to be even more construction. There you can see they are building a building there. We have videos up all these construction sites, so you can check them out. Okay, so if we turn left, we would continue on Lady Musgrave Road, but we're going to turn right and go on to Trafalgar Road. And guys, remember, if you want us to make any video, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.